My name is Judge Della Carrera of the New Jersey Superior Court. This is a civil trial. In this civil lawsuit, which is the matter of Gallagher versus Acme Sewer Company, the plaintiff, Carol Gallagher, claims that she's been injured because of the negligence of the defendant, the Acme Sewer Company.
On the afternoon of April 15th, 2010, my client, Carol Gallagher, was walking down Main Street. As she crossed over 13th Street, she looked up, saw she had the walk signal, and began to cross. As she crossed, she fell into an unattended, open manhole, plunging 10 feet down, breaking both of her legs and shattering her nose.
The evidence presented and the witness testimonies will leave no doubt in your mind of the innocence of the defendant, Acme Sewer Company. Please find in favor of the defendant, Gerald Edwins, and Acme Sewer Company, and return a verdict of 0% negligence on their behalf.
It was devastating. It was dark, cold. I thought I was paralyzed.
There should have been at least 2 people working on the site and more protection.
Where were you on the day of April 15th, 2010?
I was at the bus stop by the corner of Main and 13th Street.
What specifically made you notice Miss Gallagher?
How carelessly she was walking.
How long was the construction site set up before Miss Gallagher fell in?
1 hour, and yet she was the only one to fall in.
My client went from being a young, ambitious athlete with a promising future to a disfigured young woman with shattered dreams.
This accident could have been prevented. If it were not for Carol's carelessness, we would not be here today.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the time has arrived when you're to perform your final function in this case. But before you decide on a verdict, it's my duty to instruct you as to the principles of law which apply here. In this trial, the function of the judge is to instruct the jury with respect to the laws of the case, and the jury is required to accept and apply the law as stated by me to the facts of this case.
I walk and text at the same time, and I don't see the ground. I just see stuff when I look up.
I have no experience in texting, but I can tell that sometimes it causes a lot of trouble, like in class, and sometimes even people texting here now.
I just want to close then by saying before we go that I really think that the attorneys did an excellent job. As I said, the witnesses were very well prepared, knew their facts, and brought them out very well. I think we have some budding lawyers here, and you should keep working on it. The more you do this, the more you hone your skills, the more ready for it you will be.